Carbon. I mean, red carbon. I mean, red carbon is red carbon. I mean, my pixels miner is blue carbon. The hood? Holy shit. Yeah, that's the hood. That's the hood. Holy shit. That's fucking crazy.
Ela é a manobrista. Vai pôr o carro pra dentro. As duas, né, no caso. Ai! Ai! Regaçou o carro. Au! Nossa! Nossa!
There it is, and the Tesla gets it jumped, but not by much of a Latino. Whoa, look at those right in. A little bit loose. Oh, whoa, whoa, off of four, but you don't got it inside. Oh, man, Gardino was not going to lose.
What is this place?
This is heaven.
Things about my $100,000 2022 Model S that just makes sense. Number one, leaving plastic. The vehicle came with curved wheels. Who did this to the car? No one has sat back here. The driver window protrudes out. You could stick a finger behind this and move it. Other windows are perfect. The weather stripping on the hood, you could see how uneven it is going all the way up. I can touch it right here, can't touch it here, I can touch it here again. So are supposed to have a cover right here to block your cargo. They didn't have a cover for this. We're missing paint from hitting the hood. The weather stripping not being installed. It literally just has to be tucked in down there. So look at just how bad that panel gap is also. And the weather stripping just stops. And they couldn't deliver it with floor mats.